who says the growth of these stocks, meme stocks, I guess he's talking about, is a bullish signal. Now, that's interesting. You want to make your case on that one, Michael Lee?
Yeah, look, the more activity that's out there in the market, the more people that are paying attention to some of these unloved names, that means people are chasing value out there, and a lot of these stocks can be described as what you would call deep value stocks or even value traps. What's going on with these meme stocks?
Michael Lee, you're not going to get away with that. Where is the value in AMC? Its market value is what, 30 billion? Is AMC, its operation, worth 30 billion? Is GameStop worth all those billions? Is Bed Bath & Beyond is there hidden value here? I don't think so.
Well, before I should have been clear. Before the massive run-up in these stocks, that you could argue that these were value stocks. Now you've gotten to a point where you have a lot of financial market manipulation going on, where you're trying to squeeze the short sellers. And for some reason, this is only a problem when everyday Joes are making a lot of money and the institutions are losing. The reality is that squeezing short sellers and pushing assets around to take advantage of people that are over-levered in either direction is a daily and minute-by-minute occurrence in markets everywhere across the world. So what's happening right now, so you're seeing that to the other side now, where the Reddit crowd, the apes, the meme stock chasers are winning against some of these larger institutional investors that are trying to short these stocks to where they think there's value in them. The problem is what these stocks are doing. They're becoming like Tesla. They're blowing smoke and mirrors to get their stock, manipulating these stocks higher, squeezing out the shorts, then raising capital. And after it raises capital, these stocks aren't going anywhere, because it just shows that there's money. Because there's money out there looking for return in the markets, right? And if they're looking at these stocks, they're looking at the other high-quality stocks too. And as long as there's money out there chasing these stocks, if from a broader market perspective, that's what you want to see. You're obviously going to see froth in certain sectors and certain names, but as long as there's people out there betting that the market's going to go higher, whether it's in GameStop or General Motors or the S&P 500, that to me is a bullish signal, if that makes sense.
30 seconds. You see, I believe you're expecting a melt up for stocks in the summer. You got 30 seconds to make your case.
Yeah, look, we have a continuously improving economic data, albeit at a slower rate. There are no real bearish signals out there other than investors saying the market is too expensive. When all the talking heads get out there and say we're too expensive, we're too high, that generally means the market's going higher. So we get good employment data like we got today. We'll probably get a decent number tomorrow, not anything gangbusters. The Fed is not going anywhere. Jerome Powell's got to get reconfirmed, or he wants to be reconfirmed. So as long as the money printing press stays on, the economy gets better, albeit at not too quick of a rate to force the Fed's hand, the stocks are going to melt up higher, and we're going to see multiple new highs before the year is over, probably as soon as this summer.
Okay. The ever-confident Michael Lee joining us one more time, and you'll be back, sir. You'll be back to explain yourself if stocks go down. Michael Lee, thanks for being with us. See you again. Yeah.